Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download YouTube videos. So I want to download this video. Stay with me, I'm going to show you because I know a very good tool. If you stay until end, then you will know how to use it. Probably that will save a lot of time as I find the video that I want to download. So this video, the reason I want to get this video is just I need the link, and then the next you want to go to clipconverter.cc. This is the website, clipconverter.cc, and you want to paste the video URL, and then now you're going to select the format. In this case I'm going to select MP4, and then I'm clicking continue. So they might open a new tab or something, or ad, because they're not a free, they're just offering free service. So you just close that tab or close that pop-up ads or anything, and then you'll see which the size configurations you'd like to use, and then you see it's already selected this one. Now I just click to start. So now it's showing here the conversion completed successful, depending on the video size. If your video is a bit longer, so this might take a bit longer to process the video, but you'll see here in progress. But I have seen, like in other videos, when the videos were longer than I've seen, it took a little bit time. But this, in this case, it is quick, pretty simple. And just I'm clicking download. You see they're taking me to another ad, so you don't get like you don't need to worry about this ad. You just close that. But in the bottom, if you notice that the video is downloading, and within 12 seconds the video will be on my hard drive. So all you need is this tool, clipconverter.cc. It's super simple, and you can download the videos. So let me know if you have any questions, if you're having any problem to download videos. And here we go. You see the video is downloaded on my computer. This is super simple, right? All right, that's all. See you on another video. Make sure to hit the like button, please, and then also subscribe. Thank you.